Hello student, here we discuss about the boiling point of solution which is having highest boiling point of solution. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my video and like also. Practice makes a man perfect. So boiling point of solution is equal to boiling point of solvent plus delta TB. What is delta TB? Elevation in boiling point. Now this is the tip. Which has highest boiling point? 0.1 m KMnO4, K2Cr27, AlCl3, NaCl. All of them are 0.1 m. So we will ionize them. So this is higher written K positive, MnO4 1 negative. It ionizes like this because potassium ion and permanganate ion there. So potassium permanganate it is. So it see here 1:1 ratio. So it will be also, if it is 0.1, so K positive 0.1, MnO4 1 negative 0.1, total 0.1, 0.1, 0.2 mole. 0.1 m K2Cr27. So here potassium dichromate. This is K positive, dichromate ion is Cr2O7 2 negative. Okay, so here what is the ratio between them? 2:1. 2:1 ratio. So if it is 0.1, so it will be 2 times 0.1 and it will be 0.1. So total 0.2 mole plus 0.1, 0.3. Now AlCl3, Al3 positive and thrice of Cl negative will ionize like this. If 1:3 ratio given is 0.1, so Cl will be 3 times of 0.1. So here 0.1 MAl3 positive and 0.1 3 times 0.1 Cl negative will be there. So total 0.3 here for Cl and 0.1 for aluminium. Total will be 0.4 m. NaCl, Na positive, Cl1 negative, 1:1 ratio, 0.1 m Na positive, 0.1 m Cl negative. So it is having 0.2. So here only C is having maximum number of moles. So when it is having maximum number of moles, we will see from here delta TB is equal to Kb into moles of solid divided by weight of solvent in kg. If number of moles of solid will be more, delta TB will be more, and if TB will be more, so when it is added to the boiling point of the solvent, so it will be giving higher boiling point to the solution. So boiling point of solution is equal to boiling point of solvent plus delta TB, elevation in boiling point. Okay, how do we get it? I gave you this formula. From this we will get delta TB and we will add this delta TB with the boiling point of the solvent and we will get the boiling point of the solution. So mode will be the number of moles in the solution, mode will be elevation in boiling point, higher will be the boiling point of the solution because it is added into the boiling point of solvent. Delta TB is added in the boiling point of the solvent and the sum of this will be giving you boiling point of solution. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Write everything. Practice makes a